Cleaning and disinfecting tips for your home against viruses. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. With viruses still dominating our lives, it is no wonder people are paying more attention to cleaning and disinfection of their homes. It has become evident that such activities are paramount for the health and safety of the family. It remains clear that the greatest risk of transmission is present with person-to-person contact, and not so much through surfaces. Yet, that doesn't mean you should completely ignore disinfection of your home and forget about disinfection. Whenever you and other people come into your home, there is some risk of exposure, which is exactly why you should be more mindful of such a task. In the following guide, you will find a few important tips to help you with the matter. Number 1. Learn the difference between cleaning and disinfection. Before anything else, you want to know what the difference between cleaning a surface and disinfecting it is. Cleaning means removing any dirt and dust particles from the area, which is not the same as disinfecting. The latter is more about killing bacteria and viruses. And while you will do well to use soapy water and vinegar to clean a surface, you want to be more mindful of the products you use to ensure that the virus is removed as well. Let's get into the most important question. Number 2. What products kill viruses? Some cleaning products don't do as much against germs, so it is important to pick correctly. Some of the most common products, which have been proven to kill the virus, include disinfecting wipes, isopropyl alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, disinfectant sprays. Don't forget that even though you are using the appropriate products, you must still follow the proper technique of application to fully disinfect the surfaces. One of the best practices is to apply the product and let it sit for about 10 minutes before you remove it. This gives it time to kill the germs in the area. Number 3. What areas should you disinfect? You will hardly be able to clean and disinfect your house from top to bottom every single day. Instead, you should focus on the areas which serve as a hotspot for germs. The most important examples are faucets, drawer and cupboard knobs or pulls, tablets, cell phones, remote controllers, appliance handles, staircase railing, doorknobs and handles, computer mouse and keyboard, light switches and plates, table surfaces. Wear gloves and discard them once you are done. If you have reusable gloves, disinfect them after work as well. Always wash your hands before and after you are done with disinfection. Number 4. Cleaning and disinfecting with a sick person at home. If there is a sick person in your family, it is a good idea to give them a separate room, if possible. Other than that, it is clear that you want to disinfect the area around them only when it is soiled. The main priority is to limit contact with the person and to maintain cleanliness, so that they don't transmit the virus to another member of the household. If they are fine, you can provide them with some cleaning and disinfection supplies and have them clean their own space. When the sick person goes to the bathroom, it is a good idea to disinfect afterwards. If that is not possible, wait for a while before using the room they have vacated. Number 5. Wash your hands. This is perhaps the most important piece of advice you can get. The best way to reduce the risk of contracting viruses is to stay on top of washing your hands. 20 minutes of scrubbing is enough to remove any virus cells from your hands and wrists. Cleaning and disinfection are very important amidst the virus pandemic. You should use disinfecting wipes and sprays, isopropyl alcohol, and hydrogen peroxide as proven methods for disinfection. The areas you should be most careful with are faucets, handles and knobs, light switches and plates, staircase railings, etc. Take all these steps to prevent the spread of viruses, and to keep the whole family safe from the threat of any disease or viruses. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.